I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Nair Glides Away. First, make sure your skin is completely clean, dry, and free from any irritation. It's crucial to do a small patch test on a discrete area 24 hours beforehand to check for any adverse reactions. Always read the entire product packaging for specific instructions and warnings before you begin. Now for application. Using the applicator, spread a thick, even layer of the cream over the hair you wish to remove. It's important not to rub the cream into your skin. Simply ensure that all the hair you want to remove is completely covered by the product. This helps ensure effective and consistent results across the treated area. Once applied, leave the cream on for the recommended time, which is typically between 3 to 10 minutes. It's crucial never to exceed the maximum application time stated on the packaging to avoid potential skin irritation. After the minimum time, gently test a small area with the applicator to see if the hair comes away easily. After removing the hair, rinse your skin thoroughly with lukewarm water to ensure all traces of the cream are gone. Gently pat the treated area dry with a soft towel. For the next 24 hours, avoid using harsh soaps, perfumed products, or very hot water on the area to prevent irritation and keep your skin smooth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.